months of improvisation and classic moves. So today we did a few exercises. The first thing we did, we just chose 4 moves. It was rocks, ha, ha, ha. Then we did walk step, ha, ha, ha. Then we did boogie board, ha, ha. That was another one, but I don't remember. The point was that we just walked around to music, so it wasn't just like robot walking, but we actually tried to like walk to music, and occasionally we would go into one of those moves. You get to choose which move you want to do. So we did a bunch of those exercises, and then we also learned camel walks and added that into our repertoire. Camel walks worked like this. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we could add a little bit of shoulders here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to do this each time so it's